Hello, today we're gonna continue to look at Nvidia's trend. Well, yesterday there's a very good development from a small bottoming tail. So without further ado, let's take a look at what is happening in Nvidia stock. Now, the first question we're gonna ask is the uptrend still intact? Yes, it is. It is very important for you to ascertain whether the trend is intact or not, because a trend in motion tends to stay in motion, and since the stock is in an uptrend, okay, making higher highs and higher lows, the possibility of it continue moving higher, even breaking above 1,000, is very, very possible. Okay, so I want you to always take a look at the 20 MA. I know those who follow my videos quite often may get bored at me saying if the stock is above the rising 20 MA, stay bullish. But the fact is, you need a trend following tool. A simple one will do, and the 20 MA is a very simple one. If you observe here, the stock actually broke out of an ascending triangle. This is a continuation pattern, because in the past it went up, and when it broke out of the ascending triangle, it shot up higher. Since breaking out of the ascending triangle, the stock has been staying above the rising 20 MA, and despite the correction and so on, it continued to go up. So based on our knowledge of trend following, if the stock is staying above the rising 20 MA, whatever it does, do continue to stay bullish on it. Well, there may be fears of this bearish engulfing pattern, but the next day there was a kind of doji signaling indecision. Bears were not in control, bulls were not in control. There was an indecision, and then the next day there is a nice green candle, and yesterday there was this bottoming tail candle. Now, in order to ascertain what is really happening in the shorter time frame, let's go to the hourly chart. And I don't know whether you can see it or not, but actually the stock is making something like a cup and handle pattern. Okay, rounded bottom and then the handle, the cup and handle. Okay, again the cup and the handle. Now, if you have time, do Google up what is a cup and handle pattern. It's actually a bullish reversal pattern after a sell-off, and you can actually buy the breakout if it breaks out above this handle, set a stop loss below the handle and ride it higher. And the good thing about the cup and handle pattern is it can give you a target. You can take the highs to the low of this cup handle pattern, okay, about here to here, okay, and then what you can do is just clone it, copy it, and just project it upwards from the breakout. Okay, this is just about it, and we have a target of 988 around that. So let's put a target at 988, just shy of the 1,000 mark. Now, for those of you who are interested in day trading, let me just see what we can gain from some of the price action in the 5-minute chart. Now, I'm not an expert in day trading, okay, but it will do a lot of benefit for us if we can take a look at the 5-minute chart. Here, the stock kind of sold off a bit, but it found support here, and it wasn't able to go below it. And here we have a double bottom. For those of you who like to day trade, you could buy the breakout above the downtrend line. Here's a double bottom and ride it higher, put a stop loss below here or entirely over the entire chart pattern. Or you could buy the correction to this support area. This is a former high. Once overcome, becomes a new support. So the correction to the support area, this could be a buyable dip for you, where you buy here, ride it higher, and place a stop loss around here. So there are many ways to play the stock, right, whether right at the open or somewhere in the middle, whenever there is chart patterns appear. So it's fractal. What you can see in the daily chart can also be applied in the 5-minute chart or the 15-minute chart. So let me remove the drawings, and for the benefit of those who like a bit longer term, okay, The stock, this is the weekly chart. It has broken out of this consolidation, okay, and right now it's still in a very nice weekly uptrend, which is you can use the weekly 20 MA to gauge. As long as it's above the weekly 20 MA, you want to be bullish. You can see there was a bullish cross here, 20 MA cross above 50 MA, and from there it was in an uptrend. And when it was above the weekly 20 MA, it provided quite a lot of trading opportunities, whether breakouts or dips. Okay, so for those of you who are looking at a longer time frame, yes, we want to be bullish. We want to be bullish and believe that it can go above 1,000 and maybe even more, as long as it's above the weekly 20 MA. So I hope this analysis has been helpful to you. If you found it helpful, please like this video. If you learned something and want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this, and I'll see you in the next one.